You're welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be talking about this chord that I just played. It is very simple, and it is I think it is one of the chords that you need while playing Makossa in the church, especially when you have guitar. So you give the guitarist chance to solo during that time. Do you understand that now? So the first thing is that I'm going to show you the progression, and after that I will explain the right hand to the left hand. Then we're going to combine everything together. So now, what did I play on the right hand? Listen. So I started with so do mi re do ti la so ti re ti so fa la fa mi. Where did I get that? I get that from one of these Ayefele song. Is a Nigerian. In case you're not in Nigeria and you're watching this video, search in Ayefele, you will see it. So you use something like that. So do mi re do ti la so ti re ti so fa la fa mi. This thing can go when you're playing Makossa, even if you're using this. You can see. And you could go back to your chord. And if you are using what I just used as well, then it can go with it as well. Do you understand that now? So that's what I started with. So do mi re do ti la so ti re ti so fa la fa mi. So do mi re do ti la so ti re ti so fa la fa mi. So do you understand that now? So the other one that plays in mi fa is so do mi so do la fa re ti so ti la fa mi. So we have do re mi fa sol la ti do. So we say do mi so do la fa re ti re so ti la fa mi. So, and on the left hand, instead of the regular fa la fa so fa la fa do, then I said mi fa re so mi fa so do mi fa re so mi fa so do. So this one I got it from Orlando Owo. Dr. Orlando Owo is part of the progression that the keyboardist that played for him actually used to use. So I'm now combining it with Yinka Ayefele, combining both of them together for us to form a melody that is quite different from what we've been playing before, and that will help the guitarist to solo more as you're playing, and you'll be comfortable as well as you're playing it. Do you understand that now? Okay, so let's take it together in a slow beat. So is that understood now? So without wasting much time, then I'll turn on the keyboard now. We will play to hit. We use tempo 130 and see what you can actually achieve. Is that right now? And we're going to use this one as well. So do mi re do ti la so. So let's try it.